CES 2026 is over, but its impact is just beginning. This year wasn't about flashy promises or faraway concepts. It was about technology that feels closer, more personal, and more integrated into daily life. Instead of asking, "What can tech do?" CES 2026 asked, "How should tech live with us?" From foldable screens that finally feel natural to AI pets designed for emotional connection, CES 2026 showed us where 2026 is truly heading. Here are the 11 biggest tech trends of 2026, based on what was revealed and confirmed at CES 2026.
What is happening, guys? We are back at CES 2026 and
that most of the brands show off their Halo products and of course their future technologies.
Trend 1. Foldable screens are finally growing up. For years, foldable devices came with a compromise. They looked futuristic, but the crease in the screen always reminded users that the technology wasn't ready yet. At CES 2026, that changed. New foldable OLED display technology was shown with dramatically reduced creasing. When opened flat, these displays looked closer to traditional screens than ever before. This improvement signals that foldables are moving out of the experimental phase and into a stage where they can realistically replace standard smartphones and tablets. This matters because once hardware flaws disappear, consumer adoption accelerates quickly. Foldables in 2026 are no longer just interesting. They are becoming practical. Trend 2. RGB LED are redefining picture quality. Television technology has been evolving quietly, but CES 2026 made it loud again. RGB LED backlighting emerged as one of the most important TV trends of the year. By using independent red, green, and blue light sources, these TVs deliver richer colors, better contrast, and higher brightness levels than traditional LED systems. This is not just a small upgrade. It's a shift in how displays reproduce color, especially for movies, sports, and gaming. Manufacturers positioned RGB LED TVs as the next major step before fully modular or micro-display futures arrive. In 2026, televisions are becoming more cinematic than ever. Trend 3. AI emotional support pets move into real homes. One of the most talked about trends at CES 2026 wasn't a phone, laptop, or car. It was AI-powered emotional support pets. These robotic companions are designed to respond to touch, recognize voices, and show simulated emotions. Unlike traditional robots built for cleaning or productivity, these devices exist for companionship. Their presence at CES 2026 shows a shift in how companies think about artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just about efficiency, it's about comfort, connection, and emotional presence. In 2026, technology is beginning to address emotional needs, not just functional ones. Trend 4. Wearables become a second brain. Wearable technology took a major conceptual leap at CES 2026. Instead of focusing only on fitness or notifications, new wearables are designed to capture memory. These devices can record conversations, summarize meetings, and store important information automatically throughout the day. The idea is simple: reduce mental overload. Rather than remembering everything yourself, these wearables quietly assist in the background, acting like an external memory layer. This trend reflects a growing desire to simplify life in an increasingly information-heavy world. In 2026, wearables are not just tracking your body, they're supporting your mind. Trend 5. Robot lawn mowers. Get smarter. With LiDAR, automation is moving outdoors. At CES 2026, robot lawnmowers powered by LiDAR technology demonstrated precise navigation and improved safety. LiDAR allows these machines to map their environment in real time, avoid obstacles, and operate without complex setup. This shift mirrors what happened with robot vacuums years ago. Once navigation became reliable, adoption increased rapidly. In 2026, outdoor automation is no longer a novelty. It's becoming part of everyday smart living. Trend 6. Longevity becomes the new health tech focus. Health technology at CES 2026 focused less on daily fitness goals and more on long-term well-being. Longevity emerged as a major theme. New devices aim to track biological aging markers, monitor health patterns over time, and provide insights that help people stay healthier for longer, not just fitter today. This reflects a broader change in how people think about health. Instead of reacting to illness, technology is being designed to help prevent it. In 2026, health tech is thinking in decades, not days. Trend 7. Smart glasses. Take another step forward. Smart glasses have been almost ready for years. CES 2026 showed that progress is continuing. New models are lighter, more comfortable, and better integrated with daily routines. While still not mainstream, the steady improvements suggest that smart glasses are slowly finding their place. Rather than replacing smartphones, these devices aim to complement them by offering quick access to information without constant screen interaction. In 2026, smart glasses are moving closer to everyday usefulness. Trend 8. Intel signals a competitive comeback. CES 2026 was also a key moment for the computing industry. Intel introduced new mobile processors focused on efficiency, battery life, and integrated performance. These chips are designed for modern workloads, including AI tasks, creative work, and multitasking. The message was clear: competition in computing is heating up. Consumers in 2026 can expect faster, more capable laptops with longer battery life across multiple brands. This renewed competition benefits everyone. Trend 9. Solid-state batteries. Feel closer to reality. Solid-state batteries have long been described as the future. At CES 2026, that future felt closer. Demonstrations suggested progress toward commercial viability, with promises of higher energy density, faster charging, and improved safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. If solid-state batteries reach mass production, they could transform electric vehicles, consumer electronics, and energy storage. In 2026, the battery revolution feels closer than ever. Trend 10. Retro tech returns for focus and simplicity. One of the quieter but meaningful trends at CES 2026 was the return of retro-inspired technology. Devices featuring physical keyboards, simplified displays, and minimal interfaces were presented as alternatives to distraction-heavy modern gadgets. These products aim to help users focus, read, and communicate without constant notifications. This trend reflects a growing desire to rebalance technology use rather than abandon it. In 2026, simplicity is becoming a feature again. Trend 11. Humanoid robots still have a long way to go. Humanoid robots always attract attention, and CES 2026 was no exception. However, many demonstrations showed that while humanoid robots look impressive, they still struggle with practical tasks. Movement, coordination, and real-world reliability remain major challenges. In contrast, simpler robots, especially companion-style devices, appear closer to widespread adoption. CES 2026 made it clear that humanoid robots are still a long-term vision, not a near-term reality. What CES 2026 really reveals about 2026? CES 2026 revealed more than new gadgets. It revealed a shift in priorities. Technology in 2026 is becoming more human-centered. It's not just about speed or power anymore. It's about emotion, health, focus, and daily usefulness. From AI companions to longevity-focused health tools, from foldable screens to simpler devices, CES 2026 showed that the future of tech is not louder. It's more thoughtful, and many of these trends won't take years to arrive. They're coming this year. Ending note. If you want to keep up with future tech, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We'll bring you daily updates and explain the tech in a way anyone can understand. Sources: for description/copyright safety. Tech Radar. The 11 biggest tech trends of 2026, according to CES 2026, official technology showcases and reports. Industry analysis and CES 2026 expert coverage.